Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you our stay at Grant Village in the Bear Lodge in Yellowstone. I wanted to kind of share the good and the bad and just a quick tour. As you can see, as you walk in, we saw a bunch of bags with a lot of the bedding on the floor. Seems like they changed bedding, which is great. And there's an ice machine downstairs. We stayed on the second floor. We noticed that there wasn't an elevator, so just FYI there. And the beds here, I mean, they were listed as queen, but I'm pretty sure they were full size. They were smaller than some of the other hotel rooms that we stayed at. There's no TV, there's no AC. These are things that you can read on their page where you book the reservations. The bathrooms are small. It is an older, rustic lodge. It's nothing to write home about, but it's around $250 if you book early within 365 days. But if you book later in the year, you could easily pay around $450 a night for this room. So just a heads up there. Overall, we were able to stay here. It wasn't anything to write home about. Like I said, there are internet services, but they don't work in the room. They only work in the main registration area. As you can see, there's two tables, and then there's cups there for ice. At the ice machine, there is a small refrigerator. They have a hair dryer. There is a trash can, so it's nothing like too crazy. It's just a place to lay your head because you should be out there looking at wildlife instead of hanging out in your room. These are the bathrooms. They have like shampoo, conditioner, and body soap that are just in dispensers. And they do give you a little bear soap to take home. When you stay in Grant Village, you get the opportunity to book a reservation at Grant Dining Room, and it is a beautiful dining room. It's actually one of the better places to eat. People say that like the old Faithful Inn was good, but this is actually phenomenal. I had the chimichurri steak. My husband had the fish. He wouldn't recommend the fish. The kids had the pasta. So if you're looking for a meal at night, this is a great place to basically sit down for a meal. We had our reservations for about 4:30, and then they gave kids little wick sticks to like by the time as they're waiting for food. So overall, I would say that Grant dining space was amazing. The service was incredible. So top three tips: book early, book the reservation for dining, and just make sure that you keep your expectations low.